At our Innovation and Application Centre in Leeds, we turn food ideas into working concepts. It's a space for co-creation, where we develop, test and optimise solutions with and for you. In our fully equipped savoury and sweet labs, our food technologists prepare, analyse and troubleshoot your recipes. From dairy and bakery to beverages and nutrition, meat and plant-based to ready meals. Our consumer-style test kitchen lets you experience your product just as your customer would. Whether you're adjusting taste, improving shelf life, or exploring new formats, we're here to support you. From prototype to product launch. Connect with our locally based Brenntag ingredients specialists. Let's innovate together.